we are going to study about domestic waste, meaning of 3 R's, and rural and urban garbage. First, in this chapter, before we are going to study more about waste management, we have to know about the word meaning of waste management. Waste means useless things. Useless things, and management means disposal of waste by a proper way. So full meaning of waste management is disposal of waste by proper way and manage waste is known as waste management. Disposal of waste by properly manage, and it is known as waste management. So student, today waste management is our topic. In this chapter we are first known about domestic management. We are going to know about domestic waste. What is domestic waste? Waste which produce from our house is known as domestic waste. We produce lot of waste in our day-to-day life, like plastic bottles, cans, and wrappers, gift wrappers, and pills, vegetable pills, fruit pills, and tea leaves, waste tea leaves, and so many garbage we produce at our home. So this waste is known as domestic waste. So student, it is necessary to manage this waste into different ways. So because this, if we put both the waste, domestic paper and polythenes and wrappers and fruit pills, vegetable pills, both waste if we put together in a dustbin. This is not good way to put both the garbage in same dustbin. It is unhealthy way. So we have to manage properly this waste. First, we have to put in green dustbin. We have to put vegetable pills and fruit pills and other kitchen waste. We have to put in green dustbin. And polythenes, plastic bottle, cane, metal things, we have to put in blue dustbin. You always see at our home and in city, so many dustbins put green and blue dustbin. For green dustbin is for biodegradable waste, and blue dustbin is for non-biodegradable waste. What is the meaning of biodegradable waste? Kitchen waste, domestic waste, which kitchen waste like vegetable peels and fruit peels, and other green waste is known as biodegradable waste. And non-biodegradable waste, plastic. Now students, second point is meaning of 3 R's. We will understand this meaning of 3 R's by a slide.
Even though it's good to recycle, it's even better to reduce and reuse. In fact, the 3 R's are in order of importance: reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce means avoiding the need to use an item in the first place. When you go to the store to buy one item and consider carrying it out without a bag, you're reducing. This is the best for the environment because a plastic bag didn't need to be created in the first place. There is nothing to throw out or have recycled. That saves energy and resources and keeps us from having to make plastic bags at all. When you reuse a plastic bag, you give it many lives and get to use it again as many times as you want. It also means we don't have to go through the process of creating new bags or collect them for recycling. Recycling is setting an item to be recreated into something new when you have no use for it anymore. That's why if you can't reduce or reuse, it's important that your plastic bags are properly recycled. In doing so, we also protect the environment by making sure plastic bags don't end up in the garbage or the oceans where they can never be reused or recycled. So remember to help your planet by always using the 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, recycle.
In rural areas, the waste is mainly biodegradable. It decomposes easily. Rural people use many indigenous means of recycling garbage. The biodegradable waste is put inside a pit and allowed to rot and turn into manure. The manure is then used in the fields to grow new plants. Cow dung is dried in the sun and used to light fire. The dung can be used further to produce an eco-friendly gas known as gobar gas. In urban area, people mostly use bottles, cans, broken bulb, newspaper, notebook, etc. People use e-waste like computer items, plastic items, phones and cell phones, telephones, cable wire, etc. are non-biodegradable waste. Pollution by improper garbage disposal. Garbage dumps are unhygienic that act as breeding ground for disease causing germs. These germs may get spread through air, water, and soil to cause disease. Bad smell from the overflowing garbage dump pollute the atmosphere. Chemical and other poisonous substances from the garbage might get mixed with soil or water and lead to many diseases and infection. Sometimes we burn the garbage, the smoke released while burning leads to air pollution. Many terrestrial animals eat plastic from dumping sites and it is very harmful for them. Many aquatic animals die every year because of plastic bag litter. Non-biodegradable waste like plastic bag take time to decompose 200 years to 1000 years, rubber boot sole 50 to 80 years, cigarette butts 10 to 12 years, milk carton 5 years, orange peel 6 months, paper bag 1 month, banana peels 3 to 4 weeks, and paper towel take time to decompose 2 to 4 weeks.